To enter a date in a cell, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to enter a date in cell A1. I first select the cell A1. Second, I write 3 for March, followed by a hyphen, then the number 2, followed by a hyphen, and finally 2015. Third, I hit the Enter key. As you can see, the date has been entered in cell A1. Now I will enter another date in cell A3. I first select the cell A3. Second, I write 3 for March, followed by a forward slash, then the number 2, followed by a forward slash, and finally 2015. Third, I hit the Enter key. As you can see, the date has been entered in cell A3. Hi there! You've landed at the right place because we have what you need to transform you from an Excel novice to an Excel guru at your workplace in no time. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.